English class? Okay, then let us begin today's English class. Today we are going to discuss about the usage of articles. Already in the last classes you have learned what are articles. What are articles? How many articles are there in English language? Yes, there are 3 articles. What are they? A, and the. What are they? A, and the. Already you have learned how to use a and the. A and an are used before singular nouns, and the is used both singular and plural nouns. And also we have learned that a is used before consonant words and an is used before vowel letters. Yes? Okay, are you ready? Let us begin. So what is this? Lesson number 1, Cheskit goes to school worksheet. Today we are going to see the worksheet. The topic is articles. Let us see how to use this a and the. A is used before consonant words, and is used before vowel words, and the is used before singulars and plurals, and also unique things, and also this the is used for the words which already you know, already known things. When we are going to talk, that time we will use this the. Let us start the exercise. I would like to tell you dash story. You see, I would like to dash story. Now we have to use a or an or the. Tell me which article is suitable here. Will you put a or an or the here? Yes? Any guess? See, how we have to identify? We have to see what is the next letter to the blank. What is this? Yes. Story. Story first letter is S. Now check whether it is vowel or consonant. What is it? Yes, it is consonant. Do you remember what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Vowel letters. We will use an with this, and the rest of the things are a. Now, is this vowel letter? No. So what is this? This is a consonant. So first thing is vowel. Next, what you have to see? Check whether it is singular or plural. See, these two are taken only when we are talking about singular nouns. Only singulars. This can be used with the singular and also with plural. Okay? So story is singular or plural? Yes, it is singular. So you can use a or an. Now a or an here, because it is this S is consonant, you will use a article. I would like to tell you dash story. What you write here? A story. Which article? A article. I would like to tell you a story. Why did you use here a? Because story word has begun with consonant letter, and also the story is singular. That's why you can use a article. Okay, let us see the next one. Dash story is about dash little girl who wanted to climb the dash mountain. Okay, dash story. Already we have seen here. First sentence we got story. A story. A story means one story. Now, second sentence is about the same, this story. We are talking about this story here. That means already you know what we are talking. Which story? Already which is told in the first sentence. So already known things when we are talking. When we are talking for the second time, you can use the article. The article is used before the known things. So here which story? Already I would like to tell you a story. You said no, a story. That story, that same story. That's why already known. So you will write the. And because after full stop, our story is begin here. So you will write the story. Why are you using the article here? Because already you know which story. Which story? Which the sentence already you spoke in the first sentence. The same story you are saying here. We are talking about the same thing. That's why in the second sentence you have to write the. Whenever you are talking about a thing for the first time, you will use a. And the same thing if you talk in the second sentence, then you will write the. So the story is about a dash little girl. Which girl? Do you know which girl? You don't know. So we are talking for the first time. In this sentence, it is given about a little girl. So a little girl, a small little girl. So you will write here A. Why you are using here A? Because little L is a consonant and also it is singular, and also see here, and also what you have to see about this girl, it is said for the first time. That's why you will use A. A little girl who wanted to climb dash mountain. What you have to check? Check the first letter. What is the first letter? M. Is this vowel or consonant? Yes, this is consonant. And also you have to check whether it is singular or plural. Is it singular or plural mountain? Yes, singular. Mountain is singular. So it is singular, and also M is consonant. So you write A. Let us check. I would like to tell you a story. The story is about a little girl who wanted to climb a mountain. Okay. Next, she asked dash people who lived close to dash mountain. She asked dash people who lived close. That means already she knew. She asked some people. Which people? Already the people who lived close. Already she knew known people she is asking. That's why you have to write here the. If you already known people, if you are writing, then you will write the. Unknown people for the first time, if you say, you will write A. Okay. However, people is plural, so you can't use A or am. The is perfect there. She asked the people who lived close to dash mountain. Which mountain? The mountain which already it was said in the second sentence. So already known mountain. So you write the. First time A mountain. Same mountain you are talking here. That's why you have to write here the mountain to help her to climb it. Dash people told her that. Which people? The people here. The. And also after full stop, whatever you write, you have to begin with a capital letter. So the you should write in capital form. The people. People are plural. The people told her that dash mountain. Which mountain? Already which you have learned. Already which you know the mountain. That's why you have to write here the. Once again you write the. The people told her that the mountain was too high to climb. Dash girl said that she was not worried. Dash girl, which girl? The same girl which we are talking from the beginning. Already you know which girl. So in this already known girl, that's why you have to write here the. And because it is started after full stop, use capital form. The girl said that she was not worried about dash trouble she would have to go through to reach the top of dash mountain. So what did the girl say? The girl said that she was not worried about dash trouble. What if write A trouble or that trouble? See, trouble is started with T consonant, and also it is singular. Will you use A? No, we should not use here A. Already she knew, that means already known thing, that if she wants to climb a mountain, she had to face a risk. So already known thing, that trouble is known to her. That's why you can use here known things before you will write the article. So the girl said that she was not worried about the trouble she would have to go to reach the top of dash mountain. Tell me what you write, A mountain or the mountain? Yes, the mountain. Because the mountain already you know. Which mountain? The same mountain which the girl wants to climb. She wanted to show dash world how brave she was. What is right here? You can check here. W is consonant and world is also singular. But you can't use here A because the word here, word is a unique thing. No? Before unique things also you can't use A. So you have to use the. Before unique things you have to use the article. Already in the last video you have listened, no? Before unique things, before the names of sun, moon, world, universe, star, you have to use the article. Okay? Though they are singular, though they have started with consonant letters, these are unique things. Before these unique things you use the article. I hope you have understood. Let us revise once again. Let us check whether what we have done. I would like to tell you a story. The story is about a little girl who wanted to climb a mountain. She asked the people who lived close to the mountain to help her climb it. the people told her that the mountain was too high to climb. The girl said that she was not worried about the trouble she would have to go through to reach the top of the mountain. She wanted to show the world how brave she was. I hope you have understood this exercise how to do. Did you understand how to do? So what you have to take is, before filling the blanks, what you have to check? You have to check the first word beside the blank, whether it is singular or plural. Then you have to check the first letter of the word, whether it is consonant or O. If it is singular and also consonant, then you will add A. If it is singular and the first letter is O, you will put an. If the word is plural, or if the word is a known thing, already known existing thing, then you will write the. Okay? Okay children, did you understand this topic? Okay, let us meet in the next video. Till then, take care.